Hello, welcome students. So today we'll going to discuss about the VI editor. You know that this is a tool which you use to edit our programs in the machine. So there are a lot of editors are present. Some editors also you may acquainted with, but this is another one editor which is a very powerful editor, and we generally use this editor. That is the VI editor, and we have to discuss the VI editor according to your syllabus also. So this is a short form VI editor. VI editor actually stands for visual editor. The full form of VI is actually visual editor. Why first question is from where it came. This visual editor, it came generally from two previous programs, that is 8 or X. The 8 program is the actually the original editor that has been a part of Unix since very beginning, and since 1975 they are using it, people are using it. And this 8 program was basically a line editor, that is only a line editor basically, and that means it assigns the line numbers to the lines in the file. Now after that, improved version of 8, this 8 was used in Edlin program in DOS also, another one operating system format. Now let's discuss about the Linux or Unix. So another improved version of the program, that is come from 8, that is called X, and compared to 8 it is better, and there is some user friendliness with this 8 editor. And later on, from this 8 and X editor, we are having VI text editor, which is later on becomes more popular. And in fact, it is created a lot more sensation, VI editor, when it first appeared on the Unix environment, because at that time the main reason was it was the only full screen editor at that time. At that time, what other editors were there, those were not the full screen editors. Now after that, let us discuss that some drawbacks about the VI editor also. The VI editor is not only the useful editor, it has some drawbacks also as well. Now first drawback it that this is here the this is not very much user friendly. That means user always to keep guessing that what are the error or nothing. It is not showing any particular error messages to you. Only some, if there is some speaker attached to the machine, it provides some sound, beep like sound or something, that something is wrong, but actually it is not showing any error message or error indication in the screen. And again, VI editor was written by the person who didn't believe in the help, so the online help also not available for VI. Here we have to mention that actually VI was written by Bill Joy. VI actually is written by Bill Joy when he was a student in University of California. And here actually there are three modes in which the editor actually works. The modes are under which the modes the same key press creates different effect. Hence, several keys and their effects in each mode have to be memorized. And extremely it is case sensitive. That means, suppose for example, and small age if you press from the keyboard, then a small h input moves the cursor one position to the left, whereas a capital H position the cursor at the top left corner. So it is extremely case sensitive, and small case and uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and the uppercase letters, same letter, will act separately or differently. So that is in brief what is the VI and from where it comes. Now let us discuss, move to the next slide and discuss the some another topics of the VI editor. So introduction to the editor already we have discussed, evolving of the editor that also we have discussed, and just now we have discussed the limitations. So these things we have discussed already. So let us move to the next slide, that is modes of operation. So here you have to know that VI program has three modes of operation basically. One is the command mode, another one is insert mode, and another one is X command mode. So there are three modes are there: command mode, insert mode, and the X command mode. Now what is the command mode? Command mode is this. In this mode, all the keys pressed by the user are interpreted to be editor commands. So here all the keys which are pressed by the user from the keyboard, these will be interpreted to be editor commands. For example, if you hit a small h, the cursor is moved one position to the left. In command mode, the keys that are hit are not displayed on the screen. So in this mode, which whatever you will press from the keyboard, that will be taken as a command. So that will not be displayed on the screen as a letter. The next mode is insert mode. This insert mode permits insertion of new text, editing of existing text, or replacement of existing text. That means in this mode you can actually write something there. That means it is the editing mode or insert mode. Each of these operations can be performed only after changing over from the command mode to insertion mode using appropriate command. And this insertion mode is also known as input text mode. And lastly, another one mode, that is X command mode. What is this X command mode? This X command mode is such a mode which permits us to give commands at the command line. So the bottom line of the VI screen is called the command line. VI uses the command line to display messages and commands. All commands entered in the X command mode are displayed in the command line. This mode is so called because commands given in this mode are compatible with the commands of the X editor. So in this mode you can give the commands, and as well as the commands also will be displayed on the output screen. So in this way you can use this mode also in this VI editor. So here we are discussing about the three modes, and these three modes are available in the VI editor. Any one of the mode you can use according to your necessity. Next, move to the last slide for this session, the lecture. Now it is the for the basic operations. Now for the basic operations, three types of operation, many types of operation actually are there. So you can see that opening files, adding text, deleting text, overwriting text, and quitting the VI. These are the different commands you can apply it on the editor. And for opening files, the VI editor, you have to just put $vi file name. So if you write $vi space file name, then it will open the file. Next, you have to add text. So for adding text, you have to take the editor in the insert mode first thing, and after taking the insert mode, you can add the text there. And for taking the insert mode, either you can press I or you can press insert from your keyboard. And again, you can delete text also. Now if you want to delete a character in the editor, move the cursor to the character and press the X. This also can be done. And by in insert mode, you can delete the character in the normal mode also. That means by backspace or delete button. And again, you can overwrite the text. Overwriting text also possible. And overwriting text, if you want to do, then you can do it through the command also, or you can also do it through the normal keyboard use. And only if you want to use the keyboard, then you can override the text. Then first position the cursor using different command, which see later on the individual command in details, and using those command you can override. Otherwise, if it is a GUI facility is available there, then you can also use the mouse also. And after that, the last one is quitting. How can we do our job? We have to quit the VI editor. So how can we quit VI editor? So first of all, we can write colon WQ colon. You have to press shift and then you have to press the colon button, then it will you will have the colon, not semicolon. Here do not confuse with the semicolon. It is colon, not semicolon. So colon WQ if you do, then you will be able to quit the return. Before colon, pressing colon, you have to press escape button, ESC or escape button. So in this way, escape button, then colon, then WQ, then enter, so that you can quit the editor after saving whatever you have written in your file. So in this way, we are discussing the basic operation. We will go further in the details in the next session. So for this session, this is up to this one. We are concluding. Thank you.